Alright fam, welcome back to Jordan Keck Outdoors. I am on my way to Utah right now. It is Friday afternoon. Tomorrow morning the hunt is opening. Currently in Wyoming, but I'll be there in a jiffy. Hopefully we can get on some big bucks this weekend. I'll be there Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, so, you know, not sure what to expect. Two of the guys in our crew were able to get some scouting in these last 2 weeks ago, so hopefully we can get on some big boys and smack them and land down. So catch up when I get to camp. Oh yeah. Alright fam, just rolling up to camp. It's 10 p.m. Probably gonna give you a little tour of camp tomorrow because we're gotta get to bed. Gotta wake up early, gotta get Brian going. Feeling good. We're gonna get one. Really cross my fingers. Haven't got anything else this season up in Idaho, so let's hope that Utah pulls through. Alright, we'll catch you in the morning, fellas. Alright, see you tomorrow. Alright, we're here with the gang in the tent in the morning. We got Liam. Present yourself. Got Dalton behind him. It's going down. We're here down lower elevation. Pretty snowy, muddy up top, so we're gonna see what we can get done here in the morning. Maybe work our way up on the hillside in the afternoon, catch them in between, moving around. So I'll get the GoPro going as soon as it's a little bit of light or we see a deer and probably catch it that way. But it's going down. Booyah! So we've been working the edge of this field for about the first 40 minutes of shooting time. Maybe we're gonna give it another 10 minutes and we'll probably hit up. Try to work some of this brush, see if we can move something out. Big shot. Yes sir. Let's get it. Saturday afternoon. So that first push through only turned up 2 does or 3 does. Now we're here with Nicholas. Going Pete. We're gonna see if we can get his he's got a cow elk limited cow elk tag, so let's see if we can spot one up for him and smack it down. Booyah. Alright, it's got super windy. The wind's not my favorite right now. Dalton and Liam split up. We met at the bottom on our last push, and then ended up actually spotting the spike and chasing trying to follow him through. It looks like it was a no-go. I ended up knocking up 4 does. Two does and 2 babies, actually. Pretty sure. I didn't see 1 doe, but I saw a baby for sure, so 2. Yeah, so there's deer in here. Lots of trail. But no sign yet. Looks like the other guys that are hunting this property, we heard them shoot somewhat near to us, so we know it's on this property. But we'll probably be back here in camp. Everyone's gonna kind of come back up, and we might head up the mountain, depending the weather. It's snowing up top for sure. I don't know how slick it will be on the side, but let's see what happens. Add some clips here and there and see what we do. Well, sad news, fam. My GoPro ran out of battery Sunday afternoon, which is the afternoon that I killed my buck. Which is, I still wanted to make a video, kind of explain to you what happened, what our plan was, how it got executed. So this is the piece of land that we're hunting. You can see kind of the edge of the private is over here is private, and then there's actually a fence line private, and then this is public land right here, kind of bordering the land that we're hunting. And so this is a long stretch. This is a super long road that you can almost see from both sides. There's a small hill in between these 2 ravines. And so my original plan was an afternoon to get down into this corner and kind of work my way up the fence, catching any deer that were jumping from this property or this area over, or from this area over here. Plan went off pretty early when we started going down this road, and there was other hunters that were perched up on the high spot looking for deer that were crossing across this road. So what we did was we cut off. We went about a quarter way down on the quad, and then I had Nick drop me off, and then Dalton jumped off to accompany me. And my goal was to kind of work this way now, except for about 200 yards or 300 yards in, right? You can see there's a ravine that works its way through here. And what happened was, right when we're getting not too far away from the road, there's about 6 or 7 deer that we ended up spooking, running. They ended up running this way, luckily. But we were kind of tracking them. We dropped down in this ravine where it was a little more open. We couldn't see what the deer were because it was so tight. And so we dropped down into this ravine and we worked our way up this ravine, slowly coming back up when we thought we might circle around to the other side of the deer. My lack of, I didn't really want to start working this way, being that if there were deer in this area and it being so tight, that I would scare them off towards these hunters and across the road. So what we ended up doing was we decided we wanted to work up the fence line. But first we wanted to go straight towards the fence to see if we could find any of the deer in this area. So we ended up getting to the fence right about in this spot, and then we started working our way up. Wrong button, sorry. Not that. So we're right here working our way up, and then we came out into this opening. So you can see on my Onyx maps where I marked something. So I came up right here. I instantly spotted a deer feeding out here. It was green grass from all the rain and snow that Utah's been getting here lately. And I rested my gun up here on the fence,
We ranged it right up about 300 yards. Dalton ended up giving me my shooting sticks to get a little more stable of a shot. And as we were kind of getting all ready to take out this buck, I noticed that there was 2 other deer off to the right of me. And I said, Dalton, you know, what are those bucks? Are they bigger or smaller? And as soon as that middle buck lifted up his head, there was a lot of points. So I quickly put my scope on him, made sure it was all dialed in. It was a quartering away shot, so it was a little tighter than a broadside. And the reason we were kind of going so quick is because this area's had quite a few hunters in it. There's a lot of pressure. So I made somewhat of a quick shot, and in total there was about 3 or 4 big bucks that ran off up and through these trees and then off into the back. And so we went over here and we're looking for blood, didn't see anything. So I kind of followed the trail up to where I saw them leave, and found a speck of blood, and then there was kind of a mixture of white mixed in with the blood, like bone shattered. And he kind of circled in through these trees and then died in this little opening you'll see here. And we ended up calling the rest of the guys we were hunting with, and we were able to get them out and pull them out of there. It was a great time. You know, I was glad to have Tyzo and Noah and Dalton, Liam, Nick. It was awesome to see for Dalton to be there to see me shoot that buck. And it actually ended up going through his neck, which was interesting to see all that white in the blood. Comment below if you know why there'd be kind of chunks of white if it was a neck shot. Like through the bottom of his neck. It wasn't like a spine shot. He didn't drop right away. He ran about, less than 100 yards. And so, yeah, it was a great hunt. I was super excited to get a big buck in Utah. It's the first big buck I've gotten in a while. And I hunted a lot in Idaho and didn't see anything, so super excited. And I appreciate you guys watching these videos, supporting me, and I have a few more I have plans for future videos, fishing and outdoor stuff, maybe go through some of the equipment that I have, maybe some upgrades I plan on getting in the future. If you guys haven't liked or subscribed the video, please do that. It helps me out a lot, and I will catch you on the next video. Have a great day.